components of a vector in two dimension, and we have made a graph here for first quadrant, that is with x axis and y axis. Okay. So now basically what are the components? This is what I am going to show you. Now there is a point P with the coordinate x and y. Now let a point P x comma y, this is a point P, be a point in a plane with reference to coordinate axis. Let P be a point in a plane with reference to the coordinate axis. Therefore, now we are having OR is equal to x and PR is equal to y. One thing. Okay. Now let I cap and j cap be unit vectors. We have already gone through the I cap and j cap in the definition part. Okay. Let I cap and j cap be the unit vectors. Now I cap will be where? These are the unit vectors for this one. I cap and j cap be the unit vectors along OX, that is x axis, and OY, x axis and y axis. Therefore, now we are having vector OR. Vector OR is xi cap and vector PR is equal to yi cap. One thing. Vector OR and vector PR are called components of vector OP. Is it clear? Vector OR and vector PR are called components of OP. Okay, and OP is where? Components of OP along x axis and y axis respectively. So this was what our heading is, component of a vector in two dimension. So we are having vectors. This one is a main line which we have to go through. Okay. Vector OR and vector PR are called the components of OP along x axis and y axis respectively. Now for this basic part, what we can write it now, from this figure we can write it, vector OP is equal to vector OR plus vector RP. This is what? Triangle law of vector. Vector OP is equal to xi cap plus y j cap. Okay, one thing. Or length of OP is equal to xi cap plus yj cap. Squaring, now OP square is equal to OR square plus RP square. This is using Pythagoras theorem, and this implies OP square is equal to x square plus y square. Now again OP is equal to square root for x square plus y square. And if we are taking vector OP, representing vector OP with vector r, then we can write it vector r is equal to square root for x square plus y square. Now thus if point P in a plane has coordinates x comma y, then now what are the conditions then? Okay, number 1 now. Then number 1, vector OP is equal to xi cap plus yj cap. One thing. Or length of OP is equal to xi cap plus yj cap. Number 2, vector OP, now also we can write it length of vector OP as x square plus y square. Okay. Now number 3, is now according to the figure we have given all these things. Now the component of vector OP, no, first component, okay, because we are having components OR and PR along x-axis and y-axis. So first of all we are discussing only about x-axis. Okay, the component of vector OP along x-axis is a vector xi cap whose magnitude direction is along, whose magnitude is mod of length of x vector and direction OX or OX dash. Now what are these OX? This is OX or OX dash. Okay, according x as positive or negative. If it is positive, then OX. If it is negative, then OX dash. Number 4, the component of OP along y-axis is a vector yi cap whose magnitude is and direction is along OY or OY dash according Y as positive or negative. Okay, so this was a briefing summary for it one. Now again, once again, if a point P in a plane has coordinates x and y, then number 1, vector OP is equal to xi cap plus yj cap, or length of OP is equal to length of xi cap followed by yj cap. And third one is length of OP can be written as square root for x square plus y square. And components of OP along x axis is xi cap and its magnitude is x, direction along positive or negative.